Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this video is a special collaboration with 4 of my amazing and talented doll friends. We are going to be making cute Christmassy dolls for you guys, so make sure to check out their videos. Their links are in the description box. So for my doll, I decided to make a snow nutcracker ballet doll because their dances are just so phenomenal. So I'm using Monsterhigh Acralyic Paints doll as a base because I think that her skin tone is so perfect. So first of all, I'm taking a very sharp scissors and remove all of the hair as close to the scalp as possible. Then I'm taking some boiling water and dunking the doll head for about 30 seconds. And once the head becomes nice and squishy, I tug it off. Then I'm using a screwdriver and scrape all of the gluey hair from the inside. And then using a pliers, I remove all of the gluey hair. Now using a very sharp X-Acto knife, I remove her cat ears. And now I'm taking 100% pure acetone and remove the doll original factory paint. And acetone is not for children, so please don't use it. And now the doll face up is all removed. Now I'm taking this golden blonde hair from doll tress and I'm starting rerooting the doll hair. And I think that this hair is so soft and I'm really in love with it. Now I just take my rerooting tool and taking a small strand of hair and just tugging it directly to the doll head. And I'm just doing this a million of times and then the doll head will be all done. So now repeat this process for about a million times. And now the doll rerooting is all done. I think that I'm really in love with this amazing fiber and the hair color is just so gorgeous. And I think that I will be using this hair color and doll tress hair in the future for sure. Then I'm taking some glue and glue all of the hair from the inside. So this will become nice and secure. Then using my finger and a fabric, I remove any excess of the glue and now the hair is all done. Then I'm taking this amazing, gorgeous, fantastic dress made by my friend Reen. Make sure to check out her Instagram. She is really talented. I will give the link in the description box below. She make this amazing tights and make some wonderful beading and also make this ballet shoes, and I think that this is so perfect. So now let's play some dress up and then I will be right back. Now it's time for the most fun part, which is the doll face. Face up is one of my favorite part in doll customization. So now I'm just taking my watercolor pencils, soft pastels and Mr. Super Clear to start the doll face up. I just give it 2 coats of Mr. Super Clear, then I'm just blushing the doll face using some pinkish tones, and then using my black color of watercolor pencil I starting sketching the doll eyes. Once you started working on your doll face up, make sure to make your pencils nice and sharp, and also build your sealant layers again and again, and build your soft pastels and colors again and again to make the color pencils and soft pastels very opaque and vibrant. I usually build 4 to 5 layers in my doll face up, which is not too much, but many artists like Popan Atelier, they used to build layers like 20 or 15 times, which is too much for me. So now enjoy the process of the face up, and if I have to tell you something special, then I will be right back.
Merry Christmas!
last, I give the doll face its eye shine and also added some shimmers to the doll face, and the doll face up is all done. Now it's time to make the doll hairstyle. So I make a braid and then I'm just making a circular motion out of this and also adding a lot of common pins and also adding a rubber band to it, and the doll bun is all done. Now I'm just taking my pure acetone again and just removing the glove texture from the doll hands. Taking my tiny brush and my acrylic paint and starting painting the nail polish. Now I'm just taking this Christmas decor thing and cut off 3 to 4 pieces out of this. And now I'm just simply adding them to the doll hair. I'm not using any kind of glue because I don't want it to ruin the doll hair. And now the doll is all done. I also added some last minute details to the doll, like adding some freckles and her face and also adding some body blushing. Thank you so much, Reen, for making this amazing outfit, and without your help this doll would be nothing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more doll repaint. And I will see you guys in my next one video. Bye.